It's Shock Therapy's 2025 Black Friday sale. Why have stock when you can have shock? Does your stock suspension ride like We've got you covered. Here at Shock Therapy, we have all the solutions to your suspension needs. Coil bound springs, dual rate spring kits. You hear that extension clunk? Limit straps. You got body roll? Do we have the solution for you? We've got links and sway bars. Starting now, Black Friday all the way through Cyber Monday, 20% off on the website, www.shocktherapy.com. But that's not all. With any purchase of Radius rods, you get a free pull plate. What a deal! Looking to buy your wife that rack she's always wanted? 20% off. Remember guys, head over to our website, www.shocktherapy.com. Or if you have any questions, call us 623-217-4959.
Sales live from Black Friday to Cyber Monday.
No promo code necessary. All discounts apply to checkout. Does not include riding from the system. We will not hold any orders for install. Any questions, please call 623-217-4959. That's 623-217-4959. Shock Therapy suspension, turn every bump into a breeze.